In this video, let's understand how you can easily make a chatbot using Wati. Suppose that you want to make a lead qualification chatbot. You can do that by first going to automations. Now select chatbot. After this, click on add chatbot. Let's name this chatbot as lead qualification 2024. For the first step, you can send a message to your customer whenever they initiate a conversation. So for variable, you can add name as variable. After this, you can put the message that you want to send them. For the second step, you can add a button. In the button, you can ask them what they currently do and add some options to choose from. You can save all the answers in a variable. So this means that in the next steps, we will be connecting the Google account with this chatbot. So you can collect all the answers in a Google spreadsheet. You can name this variable as current job. Now you can again add a button in which you can ask a question how many years of experience they have. Now, for the next step, you can add a question in which you can ask them to give their email ID. You can name this variable as email. Now, it's time that you connect your Google account with this chatbot. You can select Google Spreadsheet here and connect your Google account. You can select the spreadsheet that you created to collect all the answers. After that, you can map all of them here. Make sure you mention the row value similar to how you have put it in your Google spreadsheet. After the mapping is done, you can save it. In the final step, you can add a message and insert a document as well if you want. After you're done creating the steps of your chatbot, you can save it. If you want, you can also test your chatbot. To test your chatbot, you can scan this QR code and send a message to this number. You can go to Team Inbox and see that this chatbot has been triggered. As you can see, all the answers have been collected in this Google spreadsheet. So after you're done creating the chatbot and testing it yourself, you can make it live in just few simple steps. To that, first go to automations. Now select a keyword action. For example, if you want to add hi as a keyword, so anytime a customer sends a message to your business stating hi, this chatbot would be triggered. You can make the matching methods as fuzzy, exact matching, or even contains that you can do depending on your requirement. And in the next step, you can select the chatbot that you created. When you go to default action, this chatbot can be triggered depending on the scenarios you have set here. For example, you want to welcome your customers with this chatbot, you can select the chatbot here and save the settings. Or else, if you want, you can send this message as a fallback message if no keyword criteria is met or no default action criteria is met. That can also be done by selecting the chatbot and saving the settings. Here are a couple of other scenarios as well. You can go through them and customize the chatbot trigger part depending on your business requirement. So these were the steps by which you can make your chatbot live for your customers.